Alright, so you have a specific design and to Canva, and you wanted to animate this because you don't want to purchase, let's say you don't want to purchase this like an image. You wanted to make this like a GIF or make it like an actual video. So it's gonna be really easily. The first thing you want to do is to edit it inside the actual design that you currently have. Let's say, for example, this is an actual template of an actual image. So what I just need to do really easily is to click into an actual text and choose here into my new tools the element that says animate. Just like that, it will be popping up this new section that says animate. Make sure that we are into text, and inside here you can choose the element that says suggested, and you can just put your mouse inside here and you can be checking out how it actually looks, the different elements of my actual text. I'm going to select the bounds, for example, and it can be showing you if you wanted to animate only onto enter and into exit. In my case, I'm going to go for both, for example. And so you can change this from character to word. I'm going to go for to character and make the intensity a little bit much more intense. And to the general, you can add more stuff. Let's say, for example, the add-on effects. Let's say an additional effect from the other that you chose. For example, flickering, meaning while you're doing this, or wiggle, or rotate. In my case, I won't do this. I'm going to do exactly the same thing with this new text and go for pulse. Really easily, right? So when you finish with this actual element, you can now download this into the element that says show download. If you choose in a specific image, it will be popping up this element that says limited media playback. It says that pages with videos, audio, and animations won't play when exported as this specific file type. So try downloading this as an actual video. This is exactly the element that happens sometimes. So instead of choosing a PNG file, change this for MP4 video. That's how we can actually check this out. Or you can choose the element that says a GIF. So you can hit into the element that says download and you have your actual GIF animation. Now the second way of how we can actually animate an actual text is to start from an actual template from a video. So this is an actual template of an image. I'm going to show you how it actually looks a template from a video. Instead of going for create and choosing like an Instagram post, let's say that I choose an Instagram reel, for example, because reels are videos. So when I choose this element, check out what is the actual difference from this template to the other. So we see that here we have an actual timeline. So when I select in a specific text, let's say hello, and I go for animate, the process actually it's exactly the same. Or even you can generate your own animation by dragging and drop elements around the canvas to create your own. Let's say, for example, like this. So check out how it actually looks. You can change this from original to smoothie or even steady. And check out how it actually looks. It looks really awesome, right? So if you like what you're seeing here, you just stop with the actual path, and we have now our actual new animation. And there we go. The process actually is going to be really easily. Go for show, go for download, make sure that we are into the MP4 or a GIF file, and go for download. So if you have, guys, any question, let me know into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And well, with all of this being said, hopefully we can all see you fellas next time. See you soon.